Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well today. Before we begin, please take one moment to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your engagement helps millions of learners feel encouraged and confident in their English journey. Thank you so much. Today I want to share a story that every immigrant remembers. A moment that feels small from the outside, but massive from the inside. This is the story of the first time I ever spoke English in public. As a young immigrant from Poland, new to America, living in New Jersey with more fear than confidence, and more dreams than words. Let's begin. Chapter 1. The Fear. Before this moment, I had tried speaking English, only with my notebook, my mirror, and my phone. But speaking in public, speaking to a real American, with real speed, real expressions, real reactions, that was terrifying. I knew grammar, I knew vocabulary, but my mouth didn't know how to move yet. Every time I thought about speaking, my brain whispered, "Don't embarrass yourself. They won't understand you. Your accent is too strong. Your English is too weak." And for a long time, I listened to that voice, until one day life forced me to speak. Chapter 2. The Bus Stop. It was a cold morning in New Jersey. I was waiting for the bus because I had a job interview at a small warehouse. That job meant everything to me. I needed it. I needed money. I needed stability. I needed to survive. I was shaking. Not because of the cold, but because of fear. An old man stood next to me at the bus stop. He looked friendly and smiled. Then he said the sentence, "That changed everything. Cold morning, huh?" My heart stopped. A simple sentence, a friendly comment, a normal moment. But for me, it was the challenge of a lifetime. I felt like time slowed down. My brain panicked. What did he say? What do I answer? I must sound stupid. Don't say anything. But then, something inside me whispered, "Try. Just try." So I opened my mouth and said the first English sentence I ever spoke to a stranger. Yes, very cold. Today. 3 simple words. Broken rhythm. Heavy accent. Poor grammar. But it was enough. The old man nodded and said, "Yeah, winter's coming." Then he looked at me and asked, "You new around here?" I froze again, but this time I refused to run away. I took a slow breath and said, "Yes, I am new. I moved last week." He smiled warmly. "Welcome. You'll like it here. People are good." And that was it. A tiny conversation. Less than 30 seconds. But for me, it felt like climbing a mountain. Chapter 3. The Bus Ride. When I got on the bus, I sat by the window and stared outside. I wasn't thinking about the job anymore. I wasn't thinking about the interview. I was thinking about something else. I did it. For the first time in my life, I spoke English to a real person, in a real moment, without preparation, without Google, without fear stopping me completely. My English wasn't perfect, but it was enough. Enough to communicate, enough to connect, enough to belong. And for the first time in weeks, I felt proud of myself. Chapter 4: The Lesson I Learned. That small conversation taught me a lesson I will never forget. Confidence doesn't come before speaking. It comes from speaking. You don't wait to feel ready. You speak, and that makes you ready. English isn't learned in silence. It's learned in moments of courage. Even if your grammar is wrong, even if your accent is strong, even if your words are simple, your effort is more powerful than your mistakes. Chapter 5: A Message to You. If you're scared to speak English, I want you to remember something. I was scared too, terrified. But you don't need perfect English to speak. You just need one moment of courage, one sentence, one interaction, one chance to try. That moment will stay with you forever, and it will change you more than any grammar book ever could. Chapter 6: Repeat after me. Repeat these sentences with me. I don't need perfect English. I need courage. My accent is part of my journey. I can speak. I can try. Confidence comes from speaking. I will take my first step. These phrases are the beginning of your fluency. If this story inspired you, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps this community grow and helps millions of English learners find the courage to speak, improve, and keep moving forward. Thank you for listening, and remember, every immigrant has a first conversation. This one was mine. I'll see you in the next episode.